So when you start your van, if you're getting the battery light on, the all lights on, and the rev counter not working, I can guarantee that'll be the alternator at fault. So first job, disconnect the battery. So onto the alternator, there's two 13mm bolts, there's one there and there's one just at the top. You need to undo them, that releases the tension of this belt. The belt will slip off. And on the other side there's a couple of electrical sockets, need to undo that wire there with the 13mm on. You've also got this spring which you've got to compress to get back on, so we'll have a bit of fun with that. So just going to take this off now, match it up with my new one, just make sure I've got the correct part. From the visual with it on, it looks pretty much the same, so let's get that off. So you can tell which is the old and which is the new. Yeah, it's not looking too pretty. So I'm just making sure all the brackets are in the same place. There's all the plugs on the back match up as well. So that's, I believe this to be the original one. So this van has just hit 200,000 miles. That's literally when it died. So it's 18 years old, so it's done well. Valio VW Audi, genuine part. And this is the new one, which I paid £75 for off eBay. It's a foreign bull FA5051. My engine's a 1.9 ABL. The original part number is there. It's a 90 amp alternator, so 028903-029M. So next thing is get this one on. Okay, so we've got the new one on. I put this bolt on first, this bolt on. What I had to do to get the tension off this spring was wedge my foot in sort of that area, push it up and then pull the belt over. And I've tightened these both up now. Make sure the teeth on the belt is lined up with the grooves on all the pulleys. And on the other side, all the wiring's back on. This clip is broken, the little popper bit. That looks a bit dodgy there, so I may need to get a new one of these plugs and redo that wire. So hopefully it's still, that wasn't the problem in the first place, but the state of the old alternator, I'd hazard a guess and say it was done. Battery reconnected. So the moment of truth. Okay, so the rev counter working, all lights gone out, battery lights gone out. Took a little while to sync it up. All seems okay. Job done, I say. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos on the VW T4. Thanks for watching.